Welcome to my tutorial on how to make your own paper. First you'll need to gather some supplies. A deckle, and if you don't have one, or you'd like to make one, check out my video on how to make a deckle. The link is in the video description below. An extra window screen. In this example, there's orange tape around the edge of the extra screen. A blender, a tub to hold water and the deckle frame, paper towel, a sponge, a towel, maybe 2 towels, one for sponging off and one for a drying rack, paper, and in this video we're using junk mail advertisings. The end result will be a dark gray colored paper. If you want different colors, you can bleach the paper, or you could start with white paper and add color during the blending process. The first step is to shred the paper. Next, add a handful to the blender with plenty of water. Blend until smooth. Next, put the deckle in the tub of water and pour the paper pulp onto the screen. Move it around with your hands until the mixture is even. Pull the deckle out of the water and let some of the water drain back into the tub. Then transfer the deckle to the first towel. Cover the pulp with the extra screen and use a sponge to soak up the extra water. At this point, you can sandwich the paper between 2 pieces of paper towel and iron it to make it smooth and strengthen the paper. Today, we skipped that step, and after soaking up the extra water, just put the paper on the towel to dry for 24 hours. Voila! Now you know how to make your own paper. Like and subscribe to my channel to stay updated on the latest releases.